Close your eyes. We're putting a makeup on you. Ito, over here.
Stay still.
Okay. Fix your hair.
It's in your ear.
It's okay. Oh, may ganyan kayo, me. Ganyan. Dali. Oh, go. Go, bebe. Oh, close your eyes.
Close your eyes, mommy.
Close your eyes. Okay, makeover by Bebe. Oh, then this. Oh, dali.
Oh, it's somewhat in your nose. Maybe check here.
Okay, wait a minute.
Like this.
Like, paano? Show me. Look at mama.
Paano gagawin? Paano? Patingin nga.
Okay,
Paano?
open your mouth.
Open it. No, a little bit wider.
Wider.
Rider.
Yeah. Oh, don't, baka kumalat. Okay. Okay, enough.
No, bullet. Stay steady, mommy.
Tingin sa taas.
Up. Like that.
Oh, paano gagawin, Bebe? Lapit ka dito. Harap dito. Patingin. Paano gagawin ni Mami Emmy? Look at me. Patingin, Bebe. Show me. Show.
Like this.
Paano?
Show, Mama. Hindi makita ng camera.
Sabi ko na.
Patingin. Okay, enough na. Tingin.
Lang.
Wait. Blush on. You don't have. Okay. Ulit. Say it again.
Close your eyes and mouth, mommy.
Don't open.
Don't.
Square it on. Oh, sa kabilang side. Dito. Okay. That's enough. Okay. To come there and show. Let me see. Is it good? You like it?
Now we have to change your clothes.
Yeah. It's a total makeover. We need to change your clothes. Nakadus mo. Okay. Flash on. Pag ganyan to, baby. Okay. That. Okay.
That's how we do it.
Yun. Okay. Dali. That's enough. You don't want mommy to look like a clown. Tingin sa akin, me.
Yeah. Don't move, mommy.
Wow.
Move.
Tingin.
Almost done.
Oh, tingnan mo, bebe. Tingnan, harap na sa akin. Tingin, mami. Oh, smile. Look at that. Oh, wow, makeup ni bebe. Oh, tingin, be, tingin. Oh, smile. Oh, bebe.
Ayun yung makeup ni Bebe. Can you see? Bebe, dini. Tapos, let me see. Bebe.
Tingin ang makeup niya, me. Oh, makeup ni bebe yan.
Bebe yan.
Tingin.
Ang ganda rin.
Mami. Oh, galing mag-makeup ni bebe. Oh.
Ay, sorry.
Look down. Look down. Down. Sa baba.
Down.